The seat factory in Martorell, the brand's main car manufacturing facility, increased its vehicle production output by 1.4% in 2017. With a total of 455,470 cars, Martorell again retains its status as leader of the automotive industry in Spain, the second largest vehicle-producing country in Europe and eighth largest in the world. Since 2009, output at Martorell has gone up by 51%, and 4 models are being produced in the Martorell factory at present: Ibiza and Arona, Line 1, Leon, Line 2, and Audi Q3, Line 3. Lines 1 and 3 both feature 3 production shifts, while Line 2 has 2.